Hey guys, thank you for joining me. Today I got a quick unboxing video of this HP webcam, model 950 4K webcam here. So I already opened the box, so we're just going to go ahead and take out the contents and let's get right into it. So this is how it opens up. What we find in here is probably some kind of a quick setup guide. Okay, that's what it is. Nobody really needs to know how to use a plug and play webcam, but in case you need it, there's a quick setup guide in here. Then you find warranty information. And what else? Okay, so I don't know if my camera really focuses that good, but I'll read it for you. It says, please download the HP Webcam Control Center from, and then it's got its website link here to enjoy all the features. So it looks like there's just some kind of app that you could download from HP to go with this webcam. So flap here. So far, I'm impressed that I don't see any unnecessary plastic packaging in here. It's all been cardboard. All right, so there it is. There's a tab that helps us pull it upward. Oh, there it goes. That's all is in the box. Quickly, before I dive into the camera, let's see if anything useful on the side of the box. Okay, so it says tells you what's included, which we already gone through. System requirements, it says USB A port, so it's a type A USB right here. And then compatibility wise, it lists Microsoft, Windows, and Zoom. I can't imagine that it won't work with any applications beyond just those two listed there, but that's all it is. Alright, so take a look at here. So far, the first impression, the cable here looks really nice. It's got that braided material. Yes, it's really nice quality cable, I would say. At least that's my first impression. I'm gonna slide this out. Let's see how it comes out. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna pull it apart. There it goes. Again, all cardboard. I didn't see any plastic in that, so HP gets a thumbs up for that. And let's take a look here. So yeah, speaking of the cable, I really like that they have made this joint here at an angle, so that helps you prevent any damage to this joint right here. And it's also covered with a piece of rubber here, basically a rubber joint, so really nice touch. On the top here, there's a switch, looks like a slider switch for the door. So it's a physical door to the webcam, so you don't have to use those band-aids or post-its to cover your webcam. So it kind of slides back and forth. You can see it right here. Alright, let's see. Yep, so it slides back and forth and closes. So it's a nice privacy option right up here. And then bottom, yep, so again, yeah, that's rubber on both the top and the bottom here. So this is what helps you mount this. If this was your let's say your monitor, you would put it on top like so, and definitely this piece would help prevent any scratches. So that's a nice touch. In terms of the body, it has a nice silver metal looking finish, but it's actually all plastic, so it's not really that heavy. If anything, from what I could tell, the cable probably weighs more than the actual camera. So that's about it. There's a right down here, there's just some kind of screw here. I guess you could take it off with a flathead. There's not enough room for me to turn this because this piece gets in the way, so I can't really take this off as it is right now, but it does. So I guess you could touch it. It would be nice if I could take this off and this would mount directly onto if there's an option to mount this onto a tripod, that would be nice. And in terms of the angle, you could move it up and down and the sideways. So that's about it. I'll go ahead and use the camera and come back with the result. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you on the next one.